Welcome back. Did you know that actually can be used in various contexts to mean various things? We're going to explore that today in this video. Hi, I'm Ajit from Capshine. Capshine is a revolutionary Learn It Together English fluency program. With Capshine, learning English is easy, quick, fun, affordable, and effective. And we promise a whole new you in 6 months or less. So, what does actually mean? Well, it means the truth or fact of a situation, but it can be used in different contexts to mean different things based on the situation. Let's look at some examples. You can use actually to state a fact strongly. For example, North America is actually very close to Russia. So people usually look at North America and Russia in the map and they look as if they're in the extreme boundaries, but look at a globe and you'll realize that they're actually quite close to each other geographically. That is actually forcefully giving a fact. Before we go to the next few uses, a quick word about Capshine. Capshine helps you learn English by speaking, learning, and practicing as a group, as you should with any language. And with the access to a personal coach, a monthly fluency tracker, and personalized or rather customized feedback, you are on your way to becoming a much more effective user of the language in a very short time. You can get access to your 30-day free trial, and I'll tell you more about it at the end of the video. Let's continue with actually. The next use of actually is to show surprise. For example, tomorrow is a Wednesday, right? And you say, actually, tomorrow is a Thursday. You're showing surprise, saying, hey, we are not on the same day, right? Actually, tomorrow is a Thursday, to show surprise or surprising understanding of something. Actually can be used to respond after thinking again. Let's say you said something and then you realize that maybe that's not the right thing and you want to correct yourself. You can use actually to correct yourself. For example, can I borrow your pen, please? And then you realize you actually have a pen and you say, no, wait a second, actually I have one right here. Thanks. Right? So you can correct yourself or you can use actually to think and then respond. You can also use actually in a way that it means really. For example, it's a miracle you actually escaped unhurt in that accident last week, that in reality you escaped, where it seems almost unreal. Right? It's a miracle you actually escaped unhurt in that accident last week. Great! Those are the different uses of actually. If you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification to not miss videos from us. And to check out your 30-day free trial, go to capshine.com or download the app from the Play Store. Thanks for watching.